Hello friends, we're back. My name is Miss Esther and here's my daughter Jessica. In this video, we will be showing you how to make the cute little snail. You can also make this activity with your kids. Come on, let's do this. Okay, here are the materials. Okay, we have here some different colors of circles. We have two big circles. We also have medium circles and small circles. And we have this
we have these like stick things.
We'll be using
scissors,
glue, and markers.
Different kinds of pens and
Okay, come on, Jessica. Okay, first you have to get one big circle and fold it this way.
Like a taco.
Yep. And grab another one, the medium one. And for this, I'll be using this black marker, so it's very visible. So you'll just make a shell of the snail, something like that. Okay. And fold it this way, and then get the glue it on this part. Yes. Okay, you put it in here just like the snail. Wait a moment, Jessica. Okay. And then glue. You get two.
Make it very cute or like normal.
You can make it this way. So this would be the eye. And you can make a cutie pie.
That almost looks like from SpongeBob. You can make it big or small, anything you like.
Here is the finished product. Ta-da! And there you go. Here's our cutie pie snail. I hope you like it. Bye!